Top 10 in-demand skills for 2017. As we near the end of 2016 and begin approaching 2017, one thing you may have noticed is the rising demand for more and more skilled workers in ever-evolving job market. Thanks to the folk at LinkedIn, who did a very comprehensive study based on data point and hiring and recruiting activity on their site, we have an actual list of the top 10 skills that are most in demand for 2017. Number 10. Storage system and management. As you might be able to guess, this doesn't mean hiring someone to be in charge of the company's storage cabinet. Most companies want to hire a person who is not only eligible about computer data storage and access, but who also has the capabilities to manage the data storage system for the entire company. It's more than just saving stuff to the cloud or shared drive to companies. Expect the person in charge or storage system management to be able to provide their data with safe, secure and organized storage, which is easy to navigate and properly backed up, and the event that something happened and data is lost. Related job: system administrator and storage engineer. Number 9. SEO, SEM marketing. SEO, search engine optimization. This is basically an umbrella term for the many different methods a company can use to make sure their website and content ranks highly in the search engine result when people search for related keywords. SEM, search engine marketing. This covers both paid and unpaid method to boost traffic to the country's website and support their SEO effort. As both SEO and SEM rely heavily on content marketing and distribution, people who know a lot about SEO and SEM and can produce good results through a content marketing campaign are now more and more in demand. Related job: SEO campaign manager, content marketer, search marketing specialist. Number 8. Data presentation. One thing all companies have is data, and there is increasing demand for people who can organize that data and compile it so that's easy for people to review and understand. Employees with this skill can really help increase efficiency and help provide valuable information to increase revenue and help improve their company or products. If you have the ability to quickly sift through large amount of data and compile it into reports or other easier to consume form, then you will be an invaluable addition to any company. Related job: data presentation analyst. Number 7. Mobile development. Mobile development covers the development or web or mobile apps. As more and more people turn to smartphones and tablets, there is a rising demand for apps either for work or personal use. Apps make life much easier, and for companies they can help to increase efficiency, productivity, save money or help provide a competitive advantage over other companies in the same field. Since 2016, the amount of job posting for app developers or programmers has greatly increased. So this is a skill that would definitely be worth adding to your arsenal. Related jobs: mobile app developer, programmer. Number 6. Network and information security. As the internet continues to grow and develop, the security of a company's network and information become more of a concern. More companies now want to hire people with the skill to help ensure that the information that is stored on their computer network is well protected and secure. This skill is expected to go up in importance and necessity as cloud computing and the Internet of the Things continues to grow in scope, frequency and sophistication, and as each new generation of hackers grow better at finding loopholes to exploits. Related jobs: security IT consultant, security architect. Number 5. User interface design. User interface design is all about making an application or program more intuitive and usable for customer. Employer need people who are able to design app or program interfaces that are easy to interact with and look amazing. This skill has been readily rising in the rank for the past few years or more companies realize the importance of customer experience and satisfaction. Related job: technical designer. Number 4. Middleware and integration software. Middleware refer to software that can be used to glue together or connect already existing software or programs. Often companies have existing complicated programs already in place. As such, they need people who have the skill to help integrate the existing programs together. thus eliminating the need for creating new functions or feature for the program or having to switch to a new software. Related jobs: software engineer, information technology engineer. Number 3. Web architecture or developer. Most companies or businesses are expected to have an online presence these days, whether on social media or a company website. As much there is a demand for people who have the skill to craft beautiful and functional websites that are responsive and user-friendly. Related jobs: web developer, web architect. Number 2. Statistical analysis and data mining. This is somewhat related to data presentation but involves more research and digging through mountains of either physical or digital data and compelling analysis. Many companies value the information data can provide them with, and as much as they always require people who are skilled at quickly going through data and collecting important information that could contribute to the growth of the company. Number 1. Cloud and distributed computing. And the number 1 skill that is most in demand for 2017, drumroll please, is cloud and distributed computing skill. This refers to sharing computing resources rather than having local servers or personal devices to handle applications. This is right at the cutting edge of technology and is highly technical, which is why this particular skill has managed to remain in high demand over the past 2 years. If companies want to stay competitive, they need employees with cloud computing, statistical analysis and data mining skills. Marketable skills in this line include cloud migration, cloud security, cloud application development. Another advantage of cloud computing skill is that you can practically expect companies like Google, Amazon and Microsoft to be knocking on your door looking to hire you.